In general, sundry word is used for miscellaneous items. In housekeeping, we use it for miscellaneous piece of equipment that are used occasionally or for some specific purpose. These equipments are not used in usual cleaning. For example, different kind of protective equipment which protects the worker while carrying out the cleaning operations, such as hand gloves to be used while working with cleaning agents or chemicals. Also wear eyeglasses to protect eyes from possible hazard while cleaning in such areas or working with chemicals. Face mask is used to protect from some pungent or poisonous gases. But nowadays COVID-19 made face mask as new norm. Helmet protect the worker's head walking at a height. Gum boots to be worn while scrubbing highly polished surfaces or there is any possible hazard. Caution board are used as signage or warning for protecting people from possible accident. In sundry equipment, we also include ladder. In market, you will find different kind of ladders for different purposes. For example, straight ladder, step ladders, platform ladders, etc. I made a dedicated video on different types of ladder. Check the I button above and the link is also given in the description below. Some other equipments are abrasive pads, chalk remover or chalk pump to clear the blockage in drain pipes, airing racks, etc. Please note, there are no hard and fast rules of what to include and what not to include in sundry equipment. Well, that was all. I hope you like this video. For any doubt or suggestion, comment down below and subscribe to Hospitality Broadcast. Stay tuned.